of weather, under the covers of thunder and lightning, enjoying the sound so much that it's frightening. Tucked in at night with the wind on your back, and you think that the water might come through the cracks. Is the top of your head still wet from the storm? Will you wake in the morning inside of their arms? There's a crack in the sky, blues are peeking through the grass. You wish it would take over, but that won't